Here I have OnePlus Ace 3, and today I'm going to show you how to enable battery saver on this device. So to do this, first let's go to the upper bar, and here you can find the button power saving mode. So you just tap on it once and you can switch this mode by holding down your finger on it. You can access some of its settings, like you can switch it here. You can automatically turn it off when battery is up to 19% charged. You can turn it on at a specific battery level automatically, like at 20% battery. And you can also switch these default optimizations, like you can reduce screen brightness, change auto screen off time to 15 seconds, disable background synchronization, and lower the screen refresh rate. So yeah, and that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.